Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. Today in this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorated ikebana and moribana floral arrangements for my viewers to make it a more unique and remarkable trendy collections for their home settings. People will love to create these unique and productive ideas that will enhance the beauty of their home settings by creating some comparative ideas from it. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas and watch this video till the end. I hope you will enjoy this video and create any of these ideas. In this video, I bring some latest collection of beautifully decorative ikebana floral arrangements for my viewers that people will love to explore these sort of unique and new designs for their home settings. By incorporating these ideas into your home settings, you will love to create these arrangements into a more unique or remarkable idea that people will love to create these arrangements for different unique craft pieces. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these beautifully decorative ideas that most people will love to create. These are some unique and trendy collections that can be combined easily with different unique or wild flowers or different bamboo sticks or wooden sticks can be used or create different and unique patterns. Viewers, these are some remarkably decorative ideas that people will love to create these arrangements and inspire from it by adding different unique concepts into your daily decorative ideas or arrangements by creating a refreshing look for your different family gatherings or parties, or create different routine or day-to-day decorative arrangements for your beautiful home decor. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it and work on all your requests. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like these ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest and creative collections for you. So I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.